refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Consider a rectangular transparent slab made of a material of refractive index n. Let a ray of light PQ enter from air at Q. This ray is refracted at the upper surface of the glass slab and moves along QR within the slab. At R, it gets refracted again and emerges into the air. By Snell's law, at point Q, n is equal to sin I upon sin R. At point R, n is equal to sin E upon sin R. From equation 1 and 2, we get sin I upon sin R is equal to sin E upon sin R. This gives I is equal to E. Therefore, when a ray of light passes through a transparent slab with parallel faces, the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, but it is displaced. This displacement is proportional to the thickness of the slab.